Hi YouTube, got a little background noise today, sorry about that, but trying to stay warm. Here I have a crimping tool that I got off of Amazon, and I will put the name and link in the description down below here, but this thing is really slick. I am splicing a couple of wires together, and I don't have quite the right, they're called ferrule, and I don't have the particular ones that will connect wires together, but I improvise, and I just use a correct size eye here. I got these eyes here, eyelets, terminal ends for this machine here, and what I've been using is I got two 10 amp, focus there. Got two 10 gauge wires that I'm hooking together, and what I do is I just snip the end off here, and I just use the U-shaped portion of that and then put it in the correct deal here, which would be 30-40 amp. And then I squeeze down. I'm not going to demonstrate this because I don't have enough hands to run this. Keep the ferrule in the spot, keep the wires in the ferrule, and clamp down on it. It is kind of difficult to do that even with just two hands, so, and no camera. But anyway, here's my end result, which I'm really pleased with here. And I probably will run some solder on this anyway, but I pulled on this thing, and I don't think I'm going to have to. But I think it did a wonderful job of crimping on there. I have one left, or actually I have three left to do, because what I'm doing is I'm putting a ham radio into my Jeep here, and I'm putting the actual guts of the radio clear back in the back side here along where the spare tire was, and because the head is actually remote for it, the control head, that only needs one wire, and then the mic connects to the microphone connects to the control head, which is kind of a nice deal, so I don't have to run any more wires. So I just have to run a wire back here for power and a wire back up for the control head. So I've got the thing all tore apart, so I can get wire in here. And sorry it's so dark. There's a nice little channel here that wire can be run in, so I'll just probably put that in there. But here's the wire on the inside. I ran it through a grommet. I poked a hole in a grommet. I'm thinking it's probably body wiring one. It could be computer control too, who knows. But I was careful, and then just poked a hole down there, and then ran the this twin lead 10 amp, 30 amp, 10 gauge automotive wire in through there, and then I have it coming up here, and you're supposed to connect it direct to the battery. So I got to figure out something on what to do for terminals up here, but I'll figure it out. But both leads are actually fused, so, and the wire that comes with the actual radio is kind of stupid, because how are you going to get these through, or even the other end, which is rather large, how are you going to get that through a grommet? And you're just not. So anyway, you end up cutting them anyway to run them through. So, but yeah, I'm really pleased with this tool here. I wish I could demonstrate it, sorry, but here, if I can just show you, it just opens up. It's got kind of a leverage thing going on here, so that when you close it, and then it goes over center kind of. if you can understand what that means, but it just goes over center, and then when you get it over center, you know you have it crimped completely. So some of them actually have a ratchet, and you have to actually push it all the way down to actually get it to release, but this one doesn't have that. So anyway, looking at it on the Amazon website, you're sitting there, oh, it's just kind of a dinky little tool, but if you can kind of look at my arm here, I guess it's almost goes up from the tips of my fingers to my elbow, so it's got to be at least I would say 18 inches long. So yeah, nice. I like it. Have a great day. Bye now. Thanks for watching.